初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
请问我可以看看菜单吗？
Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
I'd like a cup of latte.
I'd like a cup of latte.
我想要一杯拿铁。
I'd like a cup of latte.
I'd like a cup of latte.
Make it a large size, please.
Make it a large size, please.
请做成大杯。
Make it a large size, please.
Make it a large size, please.
I want less sugar in it.
I want less sugar in it.
我想要少放点糖。
I want less sugar in it.
I want less sugar in it.
Do you have oat milk options?
Do you have oat milk options?
你们有燕麦奶选项吗？
Do you have oat milk options?
Do you have oat milk options?
Can I get a shot of espresso?
Can I get a shot of espresso?
我可以加一份浓缩咖啡吗？
Can I get a shot of espresso?
Can I get a shot of espresso?
This is for here, not to go.
This is for here, not to go.
这是堂食的，不是外带。
This is for here, not to go.
This is for here, not to go.
I'd like a slice of cake too.
I'd like a slice of cake too.
我也想要一片蛋糕。
I'd like a slice of cake too.
I'd like a slice of cake too.
What's your daily special today?
What's your daily special today?
你们今天的每日特供是什么？
What's your daily special today?
What's your daily special today?
Can I have it with extra foam?
Can I have it with extra foam?
我可以要额外奶泡吗？
Can I have it with extra foam?
Can I have it with extra foam?
I want a cold brew coffee.
I want a cold brew coffee.
我想要一杯冷萃咖啡。
I want a cold brew coffee.
I want a cold brew coffee.
Do you serve fruit smoothies?
Do you serve fruit smoothies?
你们提供水果冰沙吗？
Do you serve fruit smoothies?
Do you serve fruit smoothies?
Can I get this coffee iced?
Can I get this coffee iced?
我可以要这杯咖啡加冰吗？
Can I get this coffee iced?
Can I get this coffee iced?
How much is this chocolate cake?
How much is this chocolate cake?
这块巧克力蛋糕多少钱？
How much is this chocolate cake?
How much is this chocolate cake?
I'd like to try your mocha.
I'd like to try your mocha.
我想试试你们的摩卡。
I'd like to try your mocha.
I'd like to try your mocha.
No whipped cream, please.
No whipped cream, please.
请不要加搅打奶油。
No whipped cream, please.
No whipped cream, please.
Do you accept mobile payment?
Do you accept mobile payment?
你们接受移动支付吗？
Do you accept mobile payment?
Do you accept mobile payment?
Can I have a receipt, please?
Can I have a receipt, please?
请问我可以要一张收据吗？
Can I have a receipt, please?
Can I have a receipt, please?
This coffee tastes really good.
This coffee tastes really good.
这咖啡尝起来真不错。
This coffee tastes really good.
This coffee tastes really good.
Do you have any vegan desserts?
Do you have any vegan desserts?
你们有纯素甜点吗？
Do you have any vegan desserts?
Do you have any vegan desserts?
I want a caramel macchiato.
I want a caramel macchiato.
我想要一杯焦糖玛奇朵。
I want a caramel macchiato.
I want a caramel macchiato.
Can I get a refill for this?
Can I get a refill for this?
我可以续杯这个吗？
Can I get a refill for this?
Can I get a refill for this?
Is this cake freshly made today?
Is this cake freshly made today?
这蛋糕是今天新鲜做的吗？
Is this cake freshly made today?
Is this cake freshly made today?
I'd like a cup of black coffee.
I'd like a cup of black coffee.
我想要一杯黑咖啡。
I'd like a cup of black coffee.
I'd like a cup of black coffee.
Do you have any pastries left?
Do you have any pastries left?
你们还有糕点剩下吗？
Do you have any pastries left?
Do you have any pastries left?
Make it hot, not too cold.
Make it hot, not too cold.
做成热的，不要太冷。
Make it hot, not too cold.
Make it hot, not too cold.
I want to take this cake away.
I want to take this cake away.
我想把这个蛋糕带走。
I want to take this cake away.
I want to take this cake away.
Can you recommend a coffee?
Can you recommend a coffee?
你能推荐一款咖啡吗？
Can you recommend a coffee?
Can you recommend a coffee?
This is the best latte ever.
This is the best latte ever.
这是有史以来最好的拿铁。
This is the best latte ever.
This is the best latte ever.
Do you have any seasonal drinks?
Do you have any seasonal drinks?
你们有季节性饮品吗？
Do you have any seasonal drinks?
Do you have any seasonal drinks?
I'd like a cup of green tea latte.
I'd like a cup of green tea latte.
我想要一杯抹茶拿铁。
I'd like a cup of green tea latte.
I'd like a cup of green tea latte.
Can I pay by credit card here?
Can I pay by credit card here?
我可以用信用卡支付吗？
Can I pay by credit card here?
Can I pay by credit card here?
I want to add some cinnamon.
I want to add some cinnamon.
我想加点肉桂。
I want to add some cinnamon.
I want to add some cinnamon.
Do you have any gluten-free options?
Do you have any gluten-free options?
你们有无麸质选项吗？
Do you have any gluten-free options?
Do you have any gluten-free options?
This cake is so delicious.
This cake is so delicious.
这蛋糕太美味了。
This cake is so delicious.
This cake is so delicious.
How long will this take to make?
How long will this take to make?
这个需要多久做好？
How long will this take to make?
How long will this take to make?
Thank you for the nice coffee.
Thank you for the nice coffee.
谢谢你的好咖啡。
Thank you for the nice coffee.
Thank you for the nice coffee.
I'll come here again next time.
I'll come here again next time.
我下次还会再来这里。
I'll come here again next time.
I'll come here again next time.
Can I get a straw for this drink?
Can I get a straw for this drink?
我可以要一根吸管喝这个饮料吗？
Can I get a straw for this drink?
Can I get a straw for this drink?
Have a nice day. See you soon.
Have a nice day. See you soon.
祝你今天愉快，再见。
Have a nice day. See you soon.
Have a nice day. See you soon.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。